Hello students, this is for marketing class SWOT analysis part 1 through 3. This is probably the only assignment where I will ask that you figure out a lot on your own. Most of my assignments I walk you through it, they're pretty easy, but this one is pretty confusing, so I wanted to do a video on it. First thing you want to do is you either can invent a company like the one you did in business management class, or you can look at a company that's near you. So for my example, I'm going to do Starbucks, okay? And you want to fill these out. You want to put in what's my brand? Oops, sorry. What's my brand? It's probably the same thing as Starbucks. Just put Starbucks here. Where are you selling? I would say put the closest company to where you are or where you live. So I'm just going to put Lehigh, Utah as my place where I'm selling. So we talked about the 4 P's. Okay. Product, pricing, place, promotion. And if you remember correctly, we talked about all these in this PowerPoint. Look at the price elasticity, okay? People with different age will buy different prices. Product design, either you want an expensive ook or a very cheap ook ukulele. Purchase location. We talked about all this stuff. And the 4th P is time of purchase. So like winter sale, something like that. So you want to look at all 4 of these things for your company, and you want to fill out this table down here. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to do place, for example. Okay, Starbucks is everywhere. Actually, they have more locations than McDonald's. Okay, next one is, oh, I jumped to place. Let's do pricing. Okay, excuse me, you don't want that there, you want that over here. Pricing, maybe move this a little bigger. Pricing, Starbucks coffee can be expensive or cheap. Okay, maybe that could be a weakness as well, but let's go through the 4 P's for strengths. Okay, what about promotion? I don't think Starbucks has real good promotion. I don't really see commercials for them, so I'm gonna put promotion right here. Actually, what I mean by promotion is not advertisements. What I mean by promotion is this one right here. Promotion, time of purchase. Remember we talked about H&M having winter sales. Does Starbucks have winter sales? Okay, let's see. Popular in the winter. I'm going to put that. Well, in the summer they have iced coffee, so I guess they have, you can put that as a strength too, but for the sake of time, I'm just giving you some quick examples. Let's see. And the last one is product. So if you go back to this PowerPoint, we talked about product design, and you want the expensive ook or the cheap ook. Okay, so let's see. Let's put in product. What do you think is a strength about the product in Starbucks? They range from kids drinks to adult drinks. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to do the same thing you did here, but you want to do it in weaknesses. Okay, so you want to go to weaknesses and you want to say, okay, what's a weakness about Starbucks places? I can't think of any weaknesses because they're literally everywhere. Maybe they don't reach rural areas like in farmland. Don't don't deliver. Maybe we can put that down as a weakness. Let's put pricing. What's a weakness about their pricing? Walmart sells cheaper coffee. They do. They sell big packs of coffee that you can make yourself that's super cheap. Let's do promotion. What's a weakness about their promotion? That one's kind of hard to think about. I don't really know the answer to that truthfully. So I'm going to skip that and come back to that later. But product, there's a huge weakness on their product, which is in Utah, there are non-coffee drinkers who are probably, there's a lot of members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So that is a product weakness that they probably don't offer non-caffeinated drinks because they're a coffee store. So that could be a weakness. And then you want to continue down, go on to customer, do the same thing. Go through all 4 P's for customers and strengths and weaknesses. And yeah, continue on. I have more to show you for parts 2 and 3.